Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Knowledge Arrow. Today I am going to show you how to clean the spark plug of Hero Mastro. If our spark plug is clogged with carbon dioxide, then the performance of our bike will not be up to mark. To increase the performance and smooth riding of our bike, we have to clean the spark plug frequently, at least once in a 2 months, so that our bike will perform smoothly. For that, first we have to open the dome of our Mastro. Left side we will have two screws, remove it, and the right side also we will have two, one screw and one bolt, remove them. And from the top altogether we have to remove 5 screws, out of which 3 are bolts, 2 are screws. Remove them. This is first screw, that is second screw. Remove it. Now take the bolt removing wrench and unscrew it. Now second bolt, unscrew it. Now comes to the third bolt, unscrew it. Altogether 3 bolts, 2 screws. That's it. Now slowly close the seat. Don't push it to the lock. Just keep it. Now lift up the body. And here the vertical stopper rod is there. Lift it and place it against the dome so that the body will not fall down. That's it. Now come to the right side. Here on the right side we will have the spark plug. First remove the cap of the spark plug just by pulling back. That's it. This is the spark plug cap. Just clean it with brush. No need to clean heavily. Just for formality clean it. There is our spark plug. Take the spark plug removing socket and with the help of the screwdriver unscrew it in the anti-clockwise direction. Slowly unscrew it. There it is coming. Slowly and slowly remove it by turning it into anti-clockwise direction. Now our spark plug was open. This is the spark plug. See how dirty it is. And the carbon accumulation has stick to it. So gently remove with the help of the screwdriver tip. Just scratch away all the carbon deposit. There. Slowly clean it. This carbon deposit will be quite sticky. So we have to scratch it to clean the spark plug. With the help of the clean cloth, clean it thoroughly. Now our spark plug is ready again to be placed back. Now insert the spark plug with the help of spark plug spanner and turn it into clockwise direction. After completely fixing it, then keep the spark plug cap again back on it. Now our spark plug is cleaned. Our bike performance will be smooth. Clean the spark plug once in a 2 months so that your bike will always perform smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with another interesting video. Bye.